Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you all how to make the aromatic all-purpose peri-peri seasoning at home. Let's start preparing the peri-peri seasoning. Take a mortar and add 2 teaspoons of dried oregano followed by 1 teaspoon of dried parsley and 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes followed by 1 teaspoon of sugar, and grind them coarsely with a pestle like this. Don't put them in a mixer grinder and don't powder them too much. The consistency should be like this. It should be coarse. So bits and pieces of it should be seen. So this is how it is done. So transfer the coarsely ground mixture into a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder to this, followed by 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika powder. If you don't have smoked paprika powder, you can replace it with a normal, regular red chilli powder. To this add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and add half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and dry mango peel powder 1 teaspoon, and mix well. Now peri-peri seasoning is ready. Keep it aside. You can store this seasoning in an airtight glass jar and you can use them whenever you want to. This peri-peri seasoning could be sprinkled upon various snacks, like french fries, popcorn, and can be used as a dry rub, over chicken and other meat preparation, for marination. So they are used in soups, rice, pasta, sauces and dips to enhance the flavor and taste. Friends, if you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.